Good morning, students. Let's start with a quick revision. Aditi, चलो बेटा रिवीजन ले लीजिए.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
There are three golden rules: personal account, real account, and nominal account. In personal account, there is a due relationship and settlement relationship. In due relationship, debit the debtor, credit the creditor. In settlement relationship, debit the receiver, credit the giver, in which debtor becomes the giver and creditor becomes the receiver. And real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. And nominal account, debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Then balance sheet statement, statement: equity and liability, shareholders fund, share capital, reserve and surplus, money received against share warrants, share application, money pending allotment. Then non-current liabilities: long-term borrowings, deferred tax liability, long-term provisions, other non-current liabilities. Then current liability: short-term borrowings, trade payable, other current liability, short-term provisions. Then total. Then assets. Then a non-current, first is non-current asset: property, plant and equipment, intangible assets, capital, work in progress, intangible assets under development, non-current investment, deferred tax assets, other non-current assets, long-term loans and advances, current assets, current investment, inventories, trade receivable, cash and cash equivalent, short-term loans and advances, other current assets. Then total. Then P&L statement: revenue from operation, other income, total income, then expenses, cost of material consumed, purchase of stock in trade, changes in inventory of finished goods, work in progress and stock in trade, employee benefit expenses, finance cost, depreciation and amortization expenses, other expenses. Then total expenses. Then PBT, profit before tax. Then exceptional items like a provision for tax, accumulated depreciation or tax, and then profit after tax. So done.
Accounting standards.
Accounting standards I have learned. First is disclosure. Accounting standards. Accounting standard one is disclosure of accounting policies. Two, valuation of inventories. Three, cash flow statement. Four, contingencies and events occurring after the balance sheet date. Fifth, net profit or loss for the period, prior period items and changes in accounting policy. Seven, construction contracts. Nine, revenue recognition. Uh, 10, property, plant and equipment. 11, the effects of changes in foreign exchange rates. Then 12, accounting for government grants. 13, accounting for investment. 14, accounting for amalgamation. 15, employee benefit. 16, borrowing costs. 17, segment reporting. 18, related party disclosures. 19, leases. uh, 20, earning per share. And then 21, consolidated financial statements. 22, accounting for taxes on income. 23, accounting for investments in associates. In associates and consolidated financial statements. 24, discontinuing operations. 25, interim financial reporting. 26, intangible assets. 27, financial reporting of interest in joint ventures. 28, impairment of assets. And 29, provisions, contingent liabilities, contingent assets and contingent assets.
ठीक है. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Entries for buyback.
Entries for buyback. First entry: equity share capital account debit. Then premium on buyback. Two, equity share buyback. Then second entry: equity share buyback, bought back account debit. Two, bank. Then third entry: premium. No, security premium account debit. Two, premium on buyback. And then fourth is revenue reserve or general reserve. To CRR account, capital redemption reserve.
Very good. Why CRR is created?
CRR is created because to block the profits.
To maintain, first you have to answer to maintain the capital structure up to the face value of preference share capital,
Okay.
and then to block the profits. Okay.
Okay, so
What are the two options to maintain the capital structure?
first is preference shares for
Issue preference shares.
issue preference shares, or second create CRR account.
Very good, beta. Very good. So cash flow is easy or buyback is easy?
So both are easy, but cash flow is much deeper. So I like cash flow much, and buyback is something very short. So like five to six entries, and then buyback is over. But cash flow is much nicer topic.
Okay. Conceptual clarity के लिए cash flow is important, correct?
Yes.
Very good, beta. Chalo. So let's start with
I have solved illustration 3. Illustration 4, everything was done, but in the last adjustment, in the fourth adjustment, I got confused. And illustration 6, I have not solved. Like, I didn't understand what to do in that.
illustration.
Illustration 6.
6 is new for you, but for that you have to read some provisions. Have you read that?
I read, sir, but I didn't get understood.
Illustration 6. It was easy. ठीक है, no problem. We'll do that.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Yes.
We left with some part of the cash flow statement also, no?
Yeah, like some questions were there, so.
Pending. Okay. No problem. Chalo, come to illustration number 6.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Chalo. Yes, read beta.
Perot Limited, a non-listed company, has the following capital structure on 31st March 2021. Equity share capital, shares of rupees 10 each, fully paid.
How many shares
Rupees,
are there?
there are 33 number of shares into
Okay.
rupees 10, face value is 330. Then
Okay. So
reserves
33
in,
shares are there. Okay. Next.
yes, sir. Reserves in surplus, general reserve, rupees 240.
Free or
Secure,
not free? Part of capital structure or not?
free reserve.
Part of capital. Sorry. Using for buyback. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Security premium. Yes.
Security premium specific reserve.
But we are using for buyback, and profit
Okay.
and loss account is also.
Free.
Infrastructure is not. We are not using.
Okay. Then loan funds, which is rupees 1,1800. Then shareholders of Perot Limited, on the recommendations of their board of directors, have approved on
Hmm.
12th of September proposal buyback number of equity shares, considering the large surplus funds available at the disposal of the company.
Hmm.
The prevailing market value of the company shares is rupees 25 per share, and in order to induce the existing shareholders to offer their shares for buyback, it was decided to offer a price of 20% over market price.
20% over market price means 20% over 25. That is,
30 rupees.
yes. So buyback price, you can write like this. Buyback price is 30.
Buyback price rupees 30.
Hmm.
You are also informed that the infrastructure development reserve is created to satisfy income tax requirements. You are
So this is
required
not available
for this capital structure
for
for
buyback.
buyback for buyback. You
Next.
are required to compute the maximum number of shares that can be bought back in the light of the above information, and also under a situation where the loan funds of the company were either rupees uh, uh, 1,200 crores or 1,500 crores,
So
assuming that
situation 2 is 1200 crores, situation 3 is 1500 crores, and what is situation 1?
situation 1, loan funds 1,800.
So write down over there, situation 1, 1800, situation 2, 1200, and situation 3, 1500.
Yes, sir, written.
Easy.
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the buyback provisions? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Number one, one minute, beta.
Yes.
First one is share outstanding test. First one is share outstanding test. Now in share outstanding test, so we are having three tests. Number two, resource test. And number three, we already covered debt equity ratio test. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And whichever is lower is available for buyback. That much shares you are going to buy back.
Yes, sir.
Got the concept?
Yes,
So
sir.
how many tests are there?
Three tests.
Three tests.
Yeah,
First one is
shares of outstanding test, then
uh,
resource test, and then debt equity test, and whichever is lower, then it will be used for the buyback.
now 33 shares are there, correct?
Yes, sir. How 30? Okay, in the question.
33 into 25%. 33 into 25%. How many shares, beta?
8.25.
Correct. 8.25 shares. In resource test, you are going to use it 25% into first shareholders fund. Share outstanding test means you will consider number of shares into 25%. Correct.
25%. Okay.
Resource test 25% into shareholders fund. Shareholders fund. Now shareholders fund, what I ticked is shareholder fund. 330
Yes, sir.
plus 240
Yes,
plus
sir.
90 plus 90.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
750.
how much?
750.
750. 750 into 25%.
18.8187.5.
187.5 is the rupees. Correct?
Okay, yes.
Divided by what is the buyback price?
Buyback price rupees 25.
30 na beta, we have written over there. Are you not writing on
Oh,
question?
yes, sir. 25.
I think you are not writing anything on
No, no,
question.
sir. I've written. But there is a 25 written in the question, so I got confused. I've written.
Hmm.
6.25.
6.25 shares. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And what is loan debt equity ratio test? Number one is loan fund.
Yes.
What is loan fund?
1,800.
1800. Minimum equity to be maintained. Out of loan funds, how much equity you have to maintain? 2 is to 1 ratio, no?
Yes, sir.
900.
Yes, sir.
Number three, what is present shareholder fund?
750.
750 is a present shareholder fund. So whether you can do buyback,
No.
No buyback. In first case, situation 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Situation 2. What is loan fund?
1200.
1200. What is the minimum equity to be maintained?
600.
600. What is present equity shareholder fund?
750.
750. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, how much you can do the buyback? 150.
150.
150. But out of 150, you have to maintain one is BB and one is CRR.
CRR.
How much is BB?
30 rupees.
30 rupees. And what is CRR is equal to face value. So what is the face value?
10 rupees.
10 rupees. So divide 150 in the ratio of 30 is to 10. Take on calci 150 divide by 40 into 30 is equal to, and 10 is
11.
equal to. Do it correctly. 150 divided by 40 into 30 is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to
112.5 for BB and then 37.5 for CRR.
hmm, correct.
Yes, sir.
Then out of 1125, what is the buyback price?
30 rupees.
So 1125 one is rupees. So convert it into shares. Divided by 30.
30.
Hmm.
3.75.
3 point,
75.
whichever is lower is in situation 2, 3.75. What is situation 3? Loan fund.
1500 crores.
How much is to be minimum equity to be maintained?
750.
750. And what is present equity?
750.
So buyback is possible?
No.
No. So buyback is only possible in which situation?
Buyback is only when equity shares are more than debt, like 2:1 ratio.
No,
So
no.
there.
तो situation 2 इतना क्यों answer दे रही हो? It only is possible in situation 2. Situation 1 and 3
Okay.
is not possible.
Okay.
Okay. So how many tests are there?
Three tests. First is a share outstanding test. Second is resource test, and third is debt equity ratio test.
Any difficulty in understanding?
No, sir, got it.
So you are telling it is very difficult. Is it?
So starting में difficult लग रहा था, but now it's easy.
So this is your chart.
Yes, sir.
Take a screenshot of this and write down the answer in fair book. Abhi ke abhi. Screenshot 1,
Done, sir.
screenshot 2,
Done, sir.
and journal entries कौन से situation में आएगा? It will be only in situation number
2.
हाँ, screenshot 3.
So done.
Okay. You can write premium payable on buyback and then security premium to premium payable on buyback. Otherwise, you can do it directly also. Doesn't matter. Okay. If question is a big question, otherwise you can write 4 entries. Correct?
Okay, yes.
Yes. So second entry you can write over there premium payable on buyback to equity shares bought back and then general reserve to CRR.
Okay.
Okay. चलो. Complete होने के बाद raise your hand. हाँ? All of you raise your hand after completion. Write it in the fair book.
Okay, sir.
Yes. And I'm going to ask you pro forma of debt equity ratio. So all of you have to tell me pro forma, at least 2, 3 students. Number of shares outstanding, 25% of share outstanding, paid up capital, pre-reserve shareholder fund, 25%, buyback price, number of shares that can be bought back. Only particulars. Understood? So I will take a revision of only particulars. So please be careful while writing it.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Chalo. Complete करो बेटा फटाफट. Raise your hand after writing. ते प्रिंट आउट फक्त आणि प्रायोरिटी बेसिसवर ते चेक करायचं. बॅक साईडच्या लोकांना चलो, ओवर। ओवर क्या बेटा? अशोक, अशोक completed or not? Okay. Now I am going to explain you very important question. चलो भाई, क्यों जल्दी जल्दी? जयेश अभी तक नहीं हुआ? अग्रवाल जी।
सर बस गुड गुड मॉर्निंग सर। तो इसलिए कि मैंने आज लेट ज्वाइन करा था, बस मैं होने ही वाला है।
क्या क्या?
इसलिए आज में सर मैं लेट ज्वाइन कर पाया था अभी अभी बस होने वाला है, मैं लिख ही रहा हूँ।
कुछ आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा है। करण, हैव यू कंप्लीटेड?
Yes, sir.
रे बेटा। धनलक्ष्मी, कंप्लीटेड बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Raise your hand after writing. सिमरन, सिमरन हो गया क्या बेटा? Chalo. Now I am moving to very important question. That is illustration number 4. Okay, so buyback. Yes. All of you understood what are the test and you have to tell me that test. But before starting that, I am going to finish with the illustration number 4. Okay, illustration number 4, and in last 40 minutes we are going to take cash flow statement. So cash flow statement हमारा last part होगा. Yes. Chalo. So now first I want to explain you two concepts. You can write this in the concept book afterwards. Okay, so this concept we have to write it in the concept book, but at the end. Number 1, debentures cancelled. Debentures cancelled. Concept number 1 for the illustration part is debentures cancelled. Okay, let's understand. Palak beta, can you tell me what is the balance for debentures? Palak, unmute yourself. चलो हर्षल बेटा बोलिए.
क्रेडिट बैलेंस सर.
ओके. हर्षल इतना आवाज क्यों बेटा? हेमिन.
Yes, sir.
चलो start. Hemin, can you tell me the balance of debentures?
So debentures are a liability, so they will be having a credit balance.
Credit balance. Okay. Now, debentures is a liability. Yes, you are correct. Credit balance. And it is always shown by which value? Fill in the blank.
The face value.
Very good. Very good. It is always shown by the face value. And face value is decided at the time of
When they
issuing
buy the
debentures.
debenture, issuing the debenture.
Issuing debentures. When we are issuing debentures, we are declaring our face value. And you can take extra amount from the investor, but where you will record that extra amount?
Shareholders.
No, shareholder account होता है बेटा. Suppose bank account I collected 30 and face value is 10. So where I record extra amount? This is suppose my
On
asset, this is
the
liability. So debentures I will
on the
record by
credit.
which value? 10. And extra 20 rupees where I will record? Don't know.
Loan advance.
This is security premium na beta.
Security premium. Sorry.
Yes.
Yes.
So where to record that extra amount? In security premium.
Securities.
Simple.
Security.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
Now this debentures liability, we are going to cancel it by, okay. Now suppose when this debenture will be cancelled, when this liability will be cancelled?
When the term is finished for the debentures, or if there is
That is
any
finished
sort of
means tenure is over of debenture.
tenure, sir.
So this is a
Yes.
time for repayment. On the date of repayment, okay, on the date of repayment we are going to cancel it. And what is the second option that we are having? Plus
If there is a
or
plus.
meanwhile you can purchase your debenture, which is called as purchase own debenture, and then cancel it. This is one option. So when
Yes,
you
sir.
don't have to wait till finishing of the tenure.
When you buy purchase own debentures.
Own debentures. Very good. So now we are going to learn this own debenture. See, repayment of debenture is debenture account debit to bank. And extra amount you will debit to P&L account, not security premium, like buyback. Okay.
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
if you are repaying more than face value. So what you are going to do? Debentures account debit. Debentures
Account
तो
debit
cancel होगा.
to
By
bank.
which value? Face value.
Face value.
To bank redeemable value.
Yes, sir.
It's not buyback. It's a redemption. Repayment को we call
Redemption.
it as redemption. And buyback word is
Redemption.
used for equity shares. And
Equity.
extra amount you will give debit to P&L, not
PNL.
to security premium.
Securities.
हाँ. In buyback, security premium can be used. Okay, but in redemption, security premium cannot be used.
Yes, sir.
Understood the difference?
Yes, sir.
This is technical. Why it is not allowed? Because accounting standard does not allow it. Law allows it. Law allows it, but accounting standard says no. You cannot use security premium for
Debentures.
redemption. Okay, so
Redemption.
extra amount you are paying, किसको debit दोगे बेटा?
PNL.
P&L. Now, what about the own debenture purchase? Own debenture
Mm,
purchase. Own debentures account debit. Own debentures account debit to bank. Own debentures account debit to bank.
bank.
Okay. And then you will cancel debentures with
PNL.
why P&L? With this own debentures.
With own debentures.
And this might be, and when you buy it, it might be less than the face value. Therefore, there is profit on cancellation. And this profit on cancellation, you will transfer with profit and loss account. Why you will not wait till finishing of the tenure? Because you are getting it at lower than the face value from the market. And therefore, you are taking it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So what is the entry you will pass while buying it?
Uh, while buying it, it would be own debentures account debit to bank
Hmm.
account.
Ha.
And when there is cancellation of
Hmm.
the debentures, it would be
Hmm.
debentures account debit
Hmm.
to own debentures account to profit on cancellation. And that
Very
would
good.
go into the P&L account with
P&L. So
profits.
what is the difference between buyback and redemption?
Buyback is based on like equity shares where
Redemption is for debentures and
redemption
preference shares.
goes into preferences, yes.
And one more difference.
For debentures, the amount which we pay goes directly into the P&L account,
Extra
whereas
amount we are paying. Extra than face value.
amount
Huh.
extra than face value goes into P&L account, whereas in equity, it goes into the securities premium account.
First we use security premium and then P&L. Very good बेटा. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the first concept of debenture. Have you written? रफ में लिख लो ये.
Yes. हाँ सर रफ में लिख दिया.
रफ में लिखो and then we can pair it after writing in the concept book. लिख लो. ऊपर बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, चलो next. Second one. Now I'm going to explain you the concept of employee stock option plan. Employee stock option plan. Yes. Employee stock option plan, basically, we are giving our employees, normally what we are giving to our employees?
Salary.
Yes. Normally we are giving salary. Okay. But if you want to retain him, okay, so we are giving him option to become shareholder of the company. What we are giving?
Option to become a
Option.
shareholder of a company.
Normally shareholder is paying you market price. ओके. नॉर्मली शेयर होल्डर क्या पे करता है?
Market price.
बट एम्प्लॉय विल पे मार्केट प्राइस और लेस देन मार्केट प्राइस.
Less than market price.
वेरी गुड. तो लेस देन मार्केट प्राइस इन accounting language it is called as exercise price. We are offering him price which
Exercise
is
price.
less than the market price.
Market value.
Got it?
Yes,
And
sir.
the difference is what? It's a loss to the company. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if I'm getting market price from the market, shareholder is paying me market price, but my employee is paying less than the market price. So that is my loss. And
Yes,
that
sir.
loss is called as intrinsic value. What it called as?
Intrinsic value.
And this loss, you have to defer, you will record this loss, defer over the over the
Over
vesting
the time
period.
period.
Okay,
Vesting period.
defer the vesting period. So new word is vesting. देखो मैंने रेड पेन से जो भी लिखा है दैट इज न्यू वर्ड्स. ओके.
Yes, sir.
नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड. नॉर्मली शेयर होल्डर इज पेइंग विच प्राइस. चलो एक बार रिवीजन करते हैं. नॉर्मली शेयर होल्डर इज पेइंग
Market price.
market price, but we are taking from employee. We are giving normally what we are giving to employee?
We are giving salaries to
Salary.
employee.
But why we are giving him option to become shareholder?
To give him the shares of the company
Extra
less than the
perk.
market
So
value.
your employee, see बेटा, कोई भी अपने employee को छोड़ना नहीं चाहता है. No one wants to leave him. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, now this technical person, Manish, now he is very trained. Okay. He is taking a lot of efforts on our this activity. तो मनीष जी की जो कंपनी है, ओके, whether that company is going to leave him.
No.
हाँ, मनीष जी can change the job if he gets the bigger opportunity. Then company will not retain. Okay. But then also Manish ji can do negotiations with the company. Say yes or no.
Yes, he can
Okay.
do.
And employee is more important for the any company. Okay. टाटा जी ऑलवेज टेल्स ना कि बाबा हमारे कंपनी में ऑलवेज वी आर गिविंग. जब भी रतन टाटा थे, वाई टाटा इज बेस्ट कंपनी in automobile, because reason is very simple. Their employees always gets a good salary. My dad was also
Yes.
engineer. He was in the force motor, and on the same post in Tata, normally engineers get 3 times salary. Okay. कितना टाइम सैलरी मिलता था?
Three
टू टू
times.
थ्री टाइम्स. So their employees are always happy. And another option, he also gives options to the employee. And when they are giving options, when normally shareholder what he gets? Dividend. And dividend is acquired out of
Profits.
profits. So if I'm telling you you will get only salary, so you will be happy. Or if I'm telling you, no, apart from salary, I'm giving you some extra amount of my profits, then you will try to boost our profit, no? नहीं तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस
Yes.
जैसा हो जाएगा भाई.
Hmm.
ओके, तो वो लोग अपनी जान लगा देते हैं. ओके, कि एक टाइमिंग फिक्स नहीं रखते. सो दे विल डू कि भाई आई विल गेट प्रॉफिट्स का शेयर ऑल्सो, एंड देयर फोर दिस ऑप्शंस आर इशूड. यू गॉट द लॉजिक ऑफ ऑप्शंस?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. सो ऑप्शंस का लॉजिक इज वेरी सिंपल. And when you are offering option, so you are taking money from them, but dash dash from market price.
Lower than the market price.
हाँ, lower than the market price. Do you know what is option? क्या अभी समझ में आया अच्छे से?
नहीं सर, समझ में आया.
पहले किया होगा ना कभी ऑप्शंस, या नो?
ये सर, हाँ
सुना
किया
था.
हुआ है ये.
ओके.
नहीं नहीं
नाउ,
किया, या आई हैव डन इट.
ओके, नाउ see, now immediately we cannot give him option, so we have to put some
Yes.
conditions on him, no? We have to put some
Yes. Conditions.
conditions on employee, and this condition is known as vesting. What we are calling in the law language?
Vesting.
Vesting. Now these conditions are of two types. One is service condition and one is the performance condition. So we are giving him offer, but he has to fulfill some conditions.
Condition.
Either you perform well or you should be in my
Give a good
company for
service.
next 5 years,
5 years.
next 3 years. So service condition mein what happens? Vesting period is fixed. What is fixed?
Vesting period is fixed.
मतलब you have to be in my company for next 3 years. So I'm not means क्या होगा? एक होता है ना कि your employees block in your company.
Yeah.
Okay, so he
For
will not
next
leave your
3 years.
company. Next 3 years. So that is also a benefit for you. One of the benefit. Okay. नहीं तो क्या होता है? अभी देखो बेटा, मेरा एक बिजनेस है, उसमें होली आया नहीं तो मेरे सब एम्प्लॉयज गायब हो जाते हैं होली और बकरा ईद के टाइम
Yes.
पे. तो मार्च महीने
Hmm.
में इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू रिटेन दी एम्प्लॉय. तो उसके लिए आई पुट सम कंडीशंस. तो सर्विस कंडीशन विल हेल्प यू so that employee will not leave your organization. Correct? And
Yes, sir.
second condition is the performance. You achieve this much profit, I will give you perks. Okay? I will give you ESOP. So performance condition we don't know. You achieve it in 1 year or 2 years or in 3 years. For every year we will give the targets. So performance condition vesting period is
Um,
not
we
fixed.
can say not defined.
Because
Yeah.
now if I tell you कि you have to pass CA exam, you perform well. Okay, but can you give me assurance when you will pass the exam?
No.
No, it might be 1 year, it might be 2 years, it
1 year.
might be 3 years. Okay, we don't know exactly when you will achieve the performance. Okay, but in service condition, normally in your post graduation course, you know the period. Okay,
Period.
because
Yeah.
वहां पे पता है, but here performance condition में we don't know.
Hmm.
Okay, so it depends. तो performance condition में vesting period is not fixed and here vesting period is fixed. बस दो याद रखना. उसका accounting it differs. We don't have any accounting because the employee stock option plan we removed from the syllabus. पहले ये था, अभी ये निकाल दिया. Okay. Now after vesting period, which period starts?
The
After vesting
payment of
period,
the
then he has to pay the amount.
pay. Yes, sir.
Correct. तो exercise period starts. Exercise period starts. Okay. And what we have
Yes,
to
sir.
do in vesting period? In vesting period, your entry will be employee
Benefit.
compensation
Oh,
expense account debit. See, what is my loss is my expense, this loss.
yes, sir.
And this I have to divide over vesting period. This I have to divide over,
Vesting period.
लिखा है मैंने इधर, defer vesting period means over vesting
Defer.
period I have to divide it. Correct?
Divide. Okay.
And then
Yes, sir.
what I will do, employee compensation expense account debit to ISO
Uh,
outstanding. What is the entry? To ISO outstanding. ISO
Outstanding.
outstanding means I have to pay him that extra amount. Loss. Company will pay it, no?
Yes, sir.
And he will give us less than the market price. But when? In exercise period. In exercise period, he will give us that amount. But that expenses, when should I record it?
When the vesting period is over.
Over the vesting period. See, both are different. Because of prudence concept. Prudence concept क्या बोलता है? Don't wait for the loss. There is a loss. I know we are taking less money from me, so that is my loss. But should I wait it till exercise period or should I divide it over the vesting period?
Divided over the vesting period.
And this concept because of
Prudence concept.
prudence concept. Everything is logical. Everything. So expenses I have to divide it over vesting period. Correct?
Vesting period.
Now in exercise period, what will happen? In exercise period, either he will opt the option, employee opt the option. तो उसने ऑप्शन को ऑप्ट किया, तो व्हाट इज द एंट्री वी हैव टू पास? ही विल गिव अस
Uh,
exercise price.
he
Okay,
exercise price.
he will give
Yes.
us exercise price, and we already recorded loss. So should I
Yes.
record loss again or should I cancel my outstanding balance?
Cancel the outstanding balance.
So I will cancel my
Outstanding balance.
ISO outstanding account debit.
Right.
Two, my share capital will increase.
Yes.
And if I'm taking extra money from him, the security premium will be increased. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
And if he not opt the option, then should I record this liability or I already recorded, I already transferred it to P&L, no?
Yes, sir.
So I have to reverse the entry, but
Reverse
I will
entry.
not reverse in P&L, I will transfer to general reserve.
Yeah.
Okay, I
Because
already
they are the
recorded
free
expenses,
reserves.
but
Yeah.
now there is no
Yeah.
expenses. So I will cancel that liability by transferring it to general reserve. And normally where to show this ISO outstanding?
In liability,
No,
written
in
reserves
reserves
and
and surplus. I
surplus.
already told you in the financial statement, एक mark का question आएगा. This ISO outstanding is recorded in the reserves and surplus, not under any other head. Because out of this, you are going to create shares. And shares is a part of shareholder fund. And
Sure.
therefore, we are recording it under reserves and surplus. मैंने ये बताया भी था. If you remember financial statement में एक मार्क का क्वेश्चन आता है where to record ISO outstanding, तो reserves and surplus में. बेटा कुछ चीजें अपने को बहुत डिटेल में दिमाग में याद रखनी पड़ती है. यू हैव टू रिकॉल दिस एवरी टाइम.
Okay, sir.
ओके, ठीक है. और सी मेमोरी लॉस क्यों होती है? बिकॉज यू आर नॉट टेकिंग एफर्ट्स ऑन रिवीजन. whenever you get time on every Sunday, and where normally CS students are lacking, it's not your problem, it's whole institute problem. Only 10 students are very disciplined and they are doing it revisions on regular basis. If you ask Aditi, Aditi is doing regular revision. Okay, Anya is doing regular revision. They are taking interest. अभी आपका कैसा होता है? आप मुझे सच्ची बताओ, आप दिन भर में कितने घंटे पढ़ते हो? जेन्युइनली बताओ.
5 to 6 hours.
डू यू थिंक सीए स्टूडेंट्स के लिए 5-6 hours आर सफिशिएंट?
No.
बाकी टाइम क्या करते हो?
I work.
You work.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. But is
Sir,
it
I have
mandatory to
cleared.
work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you cleared your.
Sir, I have already cleared my bachelor's in business administration. So
Okay.
I'm working as an accountant as well.
Okay. So my suggestion is that ki take at least leave for 6 7 months if it is
Mhm.
possible. If you are working for your day-to-day bread and butter, then I cannot tell you to take some, interval. But at least for the CA course, if possible, do at least for means you have to work. So you have to read and study every day. It's not like that कि आपका पढ़ाई हो जाएगा करके. So if possible, if you are it's not depending means your family is not depending on you, so you can take a break.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is
Yes.
my suggestion. This is your choice ultimately, and do 100%. See, दो पत्थरों पे पैर रखना इज डिफिकल्ट, नहीं तो कहाँ पे गिर जाओगे समझ में नहीं आएगा, इसलिए फॉर सीए कोर्स बाद में तो कमाना ही कमाना है, छापना है सिर्फ. ओके.
Yes, sir.
वो
Yes,
सैंटा
sir.
जैसे बैग लेके आता है ना, बस वही करना है दिन भर. हाउ मच यू आर गेटिंग इट नाउ, जस्ट आस्किंग यू.
Sir, I don't work for an Indian company. I work for a Canadian company.
हाँ, सो यू आर अर्निंग
So
गुड.
kind of.
ओके, ठीक है, फिर
Um,
ठीक है.
yeah,
Then I won't tell you to leave, but if you are working for them, हाँ, but if it's more than 1 lakh, then you can enjoy that job. But if you are getting less than 1 lakh, then you have to think on that. Okay. बिकॉज सीए
okay, sir.
साइड बाय साइड नहीं होता है, मैं इतना आपको बता रहा हूँ. मतलब इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि हो नहीं सकता, कुछ भी हो सकता है दुनिया में, बट 7 मंथ्स तो हम लोग जॉब करने से अच्छा इस पे फोकस कर सकते हैं, इसलिए मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. ओके.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
इट्स योर चॉइस. तो after vesting period, yes, employee compensation expense account debit to ISO outstanding. If you opt the option, तो bank account debit, ISO outstanding account
No
debit to
debit.
equity share capital to security premium. And if you are not opting the option, then entry will be ISO outstanding account debit to
General
general
reserves.
reserve. Yes, correct. लिखा सब कुछ, लिख लो फटाक से.
Yes, sir.
जो भी समझा वो लिख लो अच्छे से. हो
यस
गया क्या
सर,
बेटा?
डन सर। हाँ
बोलो
सर।
ना। मैं टाइम देख रहा था, आपका हो ही नहीं रहा है इसलिए पूछा।
नहीं नहीं सर, हो गया हो गया।
um, do you think these concepts are easy to understand?
हाँ सर, समझ आ
Yes.
गया मुझे।
Okay. And if you read it from study material, do you think you will get the idea about this?
सर उतना क्विक नहीं समझ आएगा।
Okay, no problem.
आपकी आपकी टेक्निक, लाइक इट्स रियली गुड टू टीच।
तो थोड़ा बहुत आता है मुझे भी।
सर ऐसा मत बोलिए।
नहीं नहीं, बता, जस्ट टेलिंग यू कि ऐसा आई एम एंजॉइंग कि ठीक है इतना। एक्चुअली दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज ऑफ ओनली मींस 90% फैकल्टी विल टेल यू डायरेक्टली इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस एंट्री. Okay, this account will be debited and this account will be credited, but I have given you overall insight for employee stock option plan. Now when you are going in CA final, you will find it very simple when you will do the share based payment in topic. Okay, that index is there for share based payment. So share based payment, when you will study, so you will understand, अरे हाँ sir told us that vesting period, exercise period. And see, sometimes है ना, entry understanding is very simple, but when we do it in the conceptual way, then you will not forget that entry anytime. Now if I ask you what is the investment in own debenture, then you will recall that ki, हाँ, investment in own debenture means I got that debenture less than the market price and therefore I bought it. Okay, and then if I bought it, so I will win profit. Okay, so this
यस
now
सर।
it's very simple for you. Okay, now see, in this question all
यस
four entries institute ask you. The company redeemed the preference shares at a premium of 10%. At a premium of 10%.
10%।
So what is the preference share capital amount?
प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल अमाउंट इज 20।
20. And what is the extra amount you are paying?
10%।
22 rupees you are paying. Correct?
यस सर।
So face value is 20, redeemable value is 22. Write down. Face value is 20, redeemable value is 22. On question you can write it. Okay?
यस सर।
So first entry is preference share capital due for repayment. So preference share capital you want to cancel or you want to increase?
We will increase it.
Why?
Sorry,
We are
redeem is
ready.
sorry, redeem we are gonna reduce it.
So preference share capital account will be
Debited.
debited. By which value?
22.
How 22? Capital is always shown at which value?
Face value 20.
20. But extra amount you will record it as premium on redemption. So premium on buyback instead of that, now premium on
Redemption.
redemption. To whom you are paying it?
To the shareholders.
Preference shareholder. Preference shareholder
Preference.
only, not equity shareholder. So entry will be preference share capital account debit by face value. Premium on redemption is my loss. To preference shareholder, they are my creditors. Correct? Understood
Yes,
the
sir.
first entry? Then what is the second entry? Second entry, I will do the preference shareholder payment. So what will be the entry for preference shareholder payment?
Preference shareholder account debit to bank
To bank. And what is the
22.
third entry?
We will re-
Cancel.
premium on redemption. Cancel premium
Ah,
on redemption.
premium on redemption. Cancel premium on redemption. So while canceling, we cannot use a security premium. Okay. While canceling, we cannot use security premium for debentures premium and for preference shares premium. We can use only security premium for equity shares. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
So this will be cancelled against revenue reserve. Revenue reserve in this question. Because we don't have P&L, here it is revenue reserve. Free reserve. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is law. Accounting standard says that. Not law. Okay. Law बोलता है कि use करो. But accounting standard says कि you can use security premium only for
Equities, equity share
equity
capital.
shares. Buyback. हाँ. You cannot use it for debentures and preference shares.
Yes, sir.
चलो एक
Preference
बार
shares.
वापस एंट्री बताओ.
When there's preference share capital due, it will be preference shares account debit,
कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट
premium
पूरा
on
बोलने का.
redemption,
हाँ. प्रेफरेंस शेयर
premium on
कैपिटल अकाउंट
redemption,
डेबिट. प्रीमियम ऑन रिडम्पशन
preference
अकाउंट डेबिट
share
टू.
capital
हम्म.
to preference shareholders.
हम्म.
And when there is payment to the preference shareholders, it would be preference shareholders account debit to bank account. The
हाँ.
third entry would be cancelling the premium on redemption, which would
हम्म.
be premium on redemption account debit to revenue reserves.
हम्म.
Oh, sorry, other way around. Revenue reserves account debit to premium on redemption.
हाँ. थोड़ा फोकस करके बोलिए तो इट विल बी इजी. हाँ. नेक्स्ट. It also bought back 3 lakh shares. कितना lakh shares? 3 lakh shares.
3 lakhs.
Actually, this is wrong. As per now, leave it because number is given. So maximum shares you can bought back is only 10 ka 25%. So technically it is wrong. ठीक है? Technically, how much 25% is maximum, no? Share outstanding test.
Yes,
तो 10 का 25% means 2.5.
2.5.
बट ठीक है, अभी बनाने वाले ने प्रॉब्लम इतना अच्छा बनाया नहीं, बट इंस्टीट्यूट ने भी, हमने भी मॉड्यूल में रख दिया, तो ठीक है, अभी वो चल रहा है. बट इफ यू सी इट टेक्निकली इट इज रॉन्ग. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
बट ठीक है, इतना टेक्निकलिटी में मत जाइए बिकॉज वी आर हियर टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके. एंड देयरफॉर वी कीप इट एज 3 lakhs ओनली. तो नो वन विल आस्क मी सर व्हाई इट इज नॉट 2.5. सो अभी हो गया है तो वापस चेंज करना. नेक्स्ट इसमें देखते हैं चेंज करने को हुआ तो ये मैं इधर लिख के रखता हूँ. इधर मैं मैम को बोल के 2 लिख लूंगा यहाँ पे. हाँ. पर ठीक है, अभी जो हो गया है वो रहने दीजिए. तो इट बॉट बैक हाउ मेनी शेयर्स?
Uh, 3
3
lakhs.
lakh shares. तो इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट 3 lakh into 10
3
30.
lakhs. 30. Then premium on, sorry,
हाँ.
yeah,
प्रीमियम ऑन बायबैक.
premium on buyback to share
बैक. हाँ.
bought
वेरी
back.
गुड. चलो, तो फर्स्ट में यू हैव सीन 3 एंट्रीज ABC. From second, equity shares premium on buyback to equity shares bought back. Equity shares bought back to bank. And next entry will be you can cancel with security premium. Correct?
Security premiums.
हाँ.
Yes, sir,
ठीक है.
security premium.
अभी इसमें ना आप थोड़ा सा मैट का आंसर मत देखना बिकॉज मैट में अकॉर्डिंग टू मी अच्छा कर दिया, चेंज कर दिया है. ओके ओके ओके. यस, मैम ने चेंज कर दिया ये. ओके. तो नेक्स्ट वन, इन्वेस्टमेंट इन नॉन डिबेंचर्स टू. तो इन्वेस्टमेंट इन ओन डिबेंचर्स मतलब ये इन्वेस्टमेंट, हियर वॉट एवर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आर देयर इन ओन डिबेंचर्स, इट इज
On demand.
हाउ मच? 2 lakhs. एंड
Two.
दिस डिबेंचर्स वेर कैंसल्ड. तो क्या एंट्री करोगे?
So first we will do the own debentures entry, own debentures
ओन
account
डिबेंचर्स
debit
ओवर
to
ओवर
bank.
ओवर. इट इज ऑलरेडी
Or
रिटर्न. ओन डिबेंचर्स
okay,
ऑलरेडी appearing in the balance sheet.
okay.
So now you will do
So
only
now we will
cancellation entry. हाँ.
cancellation. So debentures account debit to own
2.2.
debentures
हाँ.
2.2 and to
So this
own
is
debentures
debentures ना.
account.
This is debenture amount and this is asset.
uh,
And the ventures is a liability. So liability you will cancel by 2.2, asset you will cancel by 2, and
2
point 2 will be
profit
profit
on
on cancellation.
cancellation credited. So that would be debentures 2.2
हाँ.
to own debentures 2
And profit
and
on
to profit
cancellation where you
on
will transfer?
to P&L with
हाँ,
profits.
revenue reserve. Here revenue reserve.
Revenue reserve.
Correct?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, very good, beta. And the company had 1 lakh equity shares outstanding. Mentioned to the date. To the employee at rupees 20 when market price was 30. 1 lakh means rupees in crores है हाँ तो can I write 1 crore here 0.1
Yes,
crore
sir. 0.1.
1 lakh divided by 1 crore कितना आ रहा है बेटा 0.01 ना
Point.
एक सेकंड ना मुझे भी कंफ्यूजन होता है मैं ऐसे कर लेता हूँ 5
0.01.
हाँ तो 1 डिवाइड बाय 100 हाँ तो 0.01 करोड़ हाँ 10 lakhs मीन्स 0.1 करेक्ट 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 हाँ तो 0.01 करोड़ शेयर्स थे हैव यू रिटर्न 0.01
Yes, sir.
और ये 50,000 मीन्स 0.005 शेयर्स करोड़ में 0.05 नहीं है 0.005 you can take on calci directly 50,000 divided by 1 crore okay so 0.1 crores shares are appearing in the balance sheet and how many employee exercise this option
One employee. There are many employees. They
no no
haven't
no
stated
it's
how many.
given na how many employees exercise many employees कौन बोलेगा वहां पे 1 lakh ऑप्शन है तो how many employees exercised दिया है ना क्वेश्चन में read it
1 lakh
1 lakh options are there on 1st April 2001 employee exercise their option for 50,000
50,000.
तो
Okay.
पढ़ो तो सही बेटा इतना क्या करते हो 0.005 करेक्ट
Yes, sir.
हाँ and how much amount they paid
20.
20 20 is your bank okay
Lakh.
and 10
Yes,
क्या
sir.
करोगे who will pay
Company will pay loss.
but company already record it as expenses so
Yes. For
cancel
each
outstanding got
standing.
it
Yes, sir.
so bank account debit 0.05 into 20 okay 0.5 कैसे आया रे रुपीज इन करोड़ है ना अच्छा
Lakh.
सॉरी रुपीज इन lakh है माय मिस्टेक रुपीज इन lakh 1 lakh okay and here 0.5 shares sorry lakh rupees not in crores lakh hai change it 1 lakh and zero point 0.5 I thought it's in crores change
Yes, sir.
pencil से लिखो हमेशा always use eraser and pencil while writing on the study material तो 0.5 into 20 10 and employee stock
Yes.
option outstanding 5 to equity share capital 5 and to security premium 10 ठीक है
Yes, sir.
and revenue reserve to CRR
See.
is 50-50 okay CRR now CRR you will cancel for preferential capital plus equity share capital 20 plus
Share.
30 so 50 will be your CRR got the entries
See. Yes, sir.
चलो अभी इसमें से टेम्पररी अकाउंट कौन से है बताओ
Uh,
प्रीमियम ऑन रिडम्पशन प्रेफरेंस
Premium
होल्डर्स
on redemption, preferential,
होल्डर्स एंड प्रीमियम ऑन
premium
बायबैक
payback, and premium buyback.
प्रॉफिट ऑन कैंसलेशन
Yes, sir.
चलो
And yeah,
हो गए तो अभी एंट्रीज का इफेक्ट सो फर्स्ट विल राइट ऑल एंट्रीज हाँ प्रेफरेंशियल कैपिटल आर यू गोइंग टू इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज
decrease.
डिक्रीज चलो तो आई विल डू 20 डिडक्शन फ्रॉम हियर नेक्स्ट तो नेक्स्ट टेम्पररी अकाउंट है बैंक बैलेंस डिक्रीज
Is
तो
called decrease.
-22 करेक्ट रिटर्न बेटा
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
लिखो। हाँ, रेवेन्यू रिजर्व कितने से डिडक्ट करोगे?
By 2.
₹2। सो रेवेन्यू रिजर्व डिडक्ट बाय 2। हाँ, नेक्स्ट, इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल
Bank equity
कितना
share
डिडक्ट?
capital would be by 90.
ये भी टेम्पररी अकाउंट है। बाय 90 क्यों बेटा? रीड आउट द क्वेश्चन। नो, ये देखो ना, लाइन बाय लाइन चलो ना बेटा, मैं कैसे जा रहा हूँ भाई, जर्नल एंट्री।
Oh, 30, 30,
तो क्वेश्चन को तो,
30,
आंसर को तो देखो, इधर में स्क्रीन पे देखो। कैपिटल यू विल रिड्यूस बाय
30.
30। लाइन बाय लाइन जाना है अपने को, बाय लुकिंग इनटू एंट्री। हाँ, देन नेक्स्ट इज प्रीमियम, नेक्स्ट इज बायबैक, कैंसल टू बैंक। टू बाय
Yes.
बैंक कितना कैंसिल करूँ इधर?
90.
90। चलो बैंक में से 90 माइनस करो। आर यू डूइंग दिस?
Yes, sir.
चलो नेक्स्ट एंट्री है, आओ। सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम टू प्रीमियम ऑन बायबैक। हाँ, सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम
Deduct by 60.
डिडक्ट बाय 60। चलो नीचे डिडक्ट बाय 60। आगे, हाँ,
Then 10% debentures
10%
would
डिवेंचर्स,
be,
लॉन्ग टर्म बोरिंग में से माइनस 2.2। करेक्ट।
yes, sir.
2,
To
इन्वेस्टमेंट इन नोन डिवेंचर,
investment
तो इन्वेस्टमेंट कैंसल बाय 2।
2.
करेक्ट।
Yes,
नेक्स्ट,
sir. Next would be revenue reserves
हाँ,
would be deducted by 2.
एडेड बाय 0.2। क्या कर
Added
रहे
by
हो?
2, sorry.
प्रॉफिट रेवेन्यू रिजर्व क्रेडिट बैलेंस एंट्री क्रेडिट, तो 0.2 एडेड।
Added.
क्रेडिट क्रेडिट ऐड, क्रेडिट
Add.
डेबिट लेस। मैं अभी इतना भी हेल्प नहीं करूंगा, बैलेंस शीट अपडेट करते आना चाहिए खुद से, बाय लुकिंग इनटू जर्नल एंट्रीज। व्हाई यू आर गिविंग रॉन्ग आंसर्स? नेक्स्ट।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हम्म।
Next would be bank
हम्म।
would be added by 10.
हम्म। अभी मैं हेल्प नहीं करने वाला हूँ। हाँ, नेक्स्ट, इशू आउटस्टैंडिंग, वेयर इशू आउटस्टैंडिंग इज शोन। दे टोल्ड यू नॉर्मली इशू
Issue
आउटस्टैंडिंग कहाँ पे बताते?
P&L.
रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस क्यों?
Sorry, general reserve.
अरे नहीं भाई, हेड रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस में बताते हैं।
Reserves and
ये
surplus.
खुद के दम पे आने वाला हेड है ना, ये थोड़ी P&L जनरल रिजर्व है।
No, no.
अभी
Reserves
तो
and
बताया ना,
surplus.
रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस के अंडर बताते हैं। बट वेयर इंस्टीट्यूट में दिया हुआ किधर है उन्होंने? वेयर दे हैव रिकॉर्डेड दैट इज आउटस्टैंडिंग।
Current liabilities.
हाँ, तो मुझे अभी रिजर्व सरप्लस लेस करना है या अदर करंट लाइबिलिटी लेस करना है?
Other current
हाँ,
liabilities.
तो ट्रेड पेबल में से माइनस करेगा मैं। अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बिकॉज अदर करंट लाइबिलिटी में सिर्फ ट्रेड पेबल है, तो -5। एक्चुअली इधर से हेड क्वेश्चन चेंज करो, इधर लिखो अदर करंट लाइबिलिटी। क्या लिखोगे इधर?
Other current liability.
एक सेकंड ना। हम्म। पेज नंबर क्या है?
Page number 12.19 and 12.18. 18 and 19, 12 point.
ठीक है, चलो अदर करंट लाइबिलिटी में से -5। करेक्ट।
Yes,
नेक्स्ट,
sir.
इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल 5, क्या करेंगे?
5. We would add it.
वी विल ऐड इट। हाँ, तो अरे यार, सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम में प्लस, सॉरी, शेयर कैपिटल में
Plus 5.
+5 एंड सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम में +10। करेक्ट। एंड रेवेन्यू रिजर्व में से -50
Plus.
एंड CRR +50। करेक्ट।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, CRR माइनस, यस, हाँ। तो अभी शेयर कैपिटल कितना दिखेगा आपका? चलो, इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल
75.
75, चलो लिख के जाता हूँ। तो इधर 75, 0, 75, तो लिख देता हूँ ऊपर 75। नेक्स्ट, CRR 50, कैपिटल रिजर्व 8, रेवेन्यू रिजर्व -1.8, करेक्ट ना? 50
Mm,
minus 50 minus 2 plus 0.2
50. Yes, sir.
minus 1.8, and security premium
Security premium would be 60, positive 10.
50 plus 8 minus 1.8 plus 10, 66.2, and debentures will be 2.8, 66.2, correct no? 66.2 and 2.8, debentures बराबर है क्या?
2.8.
4 minus
Sir, एक मिनट.
2.2, 1.8, sorry, 1.8,
Yeah.
1.8, 2.8 नहीं, 1.8। आप बोलते भी नहीं हो बेटा, करो ना जल्दी जल्दी कैलकुलेशन। हैव यू नॉट
सर
रिटर्न
कर ही
नो?
रहा हूँ.
सच्ची
नो
बताओ।
सर, आई हैव रिटन इट. नहीं नहीं सर, सच्ची में लिखा हुआ है मैंने.
चलो ठीक है, फिर बताओ फटाफट। 1.8। नेक्स्ट, ट्रेड पेबल 65, प्रॉपर्टी प्लांट एंड इक्विपमेंट 50, ये 118,
50.
एंड दिस इज 142 minus 22 minus 90 plus 10,
40.
40। तो टैली हो रहा है क्या? देखो 75 प्लस 66.2 प्लस 1.8
141.
65, 208, 50 प्लस 118, 208, 208 से टैली हो रहा है, करेक्ट? ये गलत है हाँ? बैलेंस शीट गलत है ICAI का। रेवेन्यू रिजर्व 50, 50, add profit on cancellation 0.2, and less adjustment for premium on redemption -2। तो ये निगेटिव कितना आया बेटा अपना?
For the
निगेटिव 1.8।
1.8.
हम्म,
And then CRR 10.
और ये कितना आया? सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम 10,
Security premium 10.
10, and CRR 50। बैलेंस शीट भी गलत किया है, ठीक है। ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
तो टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट, डू बाय योर ओन नाउ, all of you। I'm giving you 20 minutes, 9 o'clock को we'll check it। चलो ले लीजिए, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन आस्क मी। 25
Yes.
मिनट जाएंगे आपके, अच्छे से करो,
Yes, sir. Taken.
मतलब ये टॉपिक
हाँ
हो
sir.
जाएगा आपका पूरा।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा क्वेश्चन था बेटा,
Yes, sir.
एक बार
हाँ
शांति
सर,
से
समझ
देखो,
आ गया.
नहीं समझा तो
हाँ
मैं
सर.
वापस बताता हूँ, डोंट वरी।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है,
हाँ सर.
मैं चाय पी के आता हूँ। वी विल मीट एट 9:05, टिल दैट यू डोंट हैव एनी ब्रेक, यू आर गोइंग टू फिनिश इट, ओके? चलिए, all of you have to solve that. One of the important question, do not miss this question. Okay, मस्त question है और इंस्टीट्यूट का बायबैक का one of the favorite question. Yes, and I will take your queries at the end. Okay, after solving this, I will take a query. जो भी है अच्छे से लिखो, write down, and if you have any query, I will take it at the end. 9:05 को will start. मनीष 20 मिनट का ब्रेक दे दो उनको, मतलब ब्रेक नहीं है, दे आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट। हाँ सी, ओके। नहीं, बंद कीजिए, फिर से वापस अपन आते हैं। हाँ, मैं आने के बाद 20 मिनट का लगाओ, क्योंकि टाइम लगेगा उतना सॉल्विंग को। हाँ। बाकी लोगों का हुआ? आदिति कितने टाइम में हुआ बेटा?
सब लाइक आई टेकन 10 मिनट्स उसमें हो गया था.
फुल बैलेंस शीट विद जर्नल एंट्रीज?
यस सर, सर समझ में आ गया था आप जो समझाए थे, तो वो इजीली हो जाता है.
मीन्स यू आर डूइंग इट इन ऑन रफ पेज और फेयर?
सर आप जब समझाते तो रफ में होता है, करती हूँ, उसके बाद से फिर उसको फेयर में कर लेती हूँ जब आप टाइम देते हो तो.
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है. 5/6. Aditya, I will give you screenshots for concept book.
Yes sir. So one more चीज़ I wanted to ask that sir you have told about index. So
हाँ,
आपने
index today I will
index.
provide it. अरे index we have not updated यार, sorry, एक सेकंड ना. इंडेक्स मेरे इसमें अपडेट ही नहीं किया गया, सॉरी, ये भूल गया मैं. इंडेक्स. बेटा अपना इंडेक्स रह गया था ना?
Yes sir.
अच्छा, मैंने थ्योरी लिख के दिया क्या आपको कॉन्सेप्ट बुक में?
No
फ्रॉम
sir.
फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स, नो?
No
तो
sir.
यस, विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स देन.
Okay
इन
sir.
concept book you write this. Today I am giving you थोड़ा सा ज्यादा होमवर्क, so today you have to finish it
Sir
2 days
taken
में.
screenshot.
concept book screenshot 1.
Sir done.
And students, it is request to all of you to attend it in live session, so it's always better. ठीक है.
Done sir. Done sir. Over sir. Done sir. Done sir. Done sir. Done sir. Done sir. Sir done. Done. Done.
ओके, एक मिनट. हाँ,
Yes sir. Done sir. Done sir. Sir, done. Done, sir. Sir, done. Sir, done. Sir, done. Sir, done.
ठीक है. Better do one thing. Today you complete this chapter. Cash flow I will give it in the next session. Cash flow and buyback. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And what is your homework? You have to solve TYK buyback questions, all questions. So we will finish with the buyback, but next time we will start with the remaining cash flow statement and past examination questions.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, so next session may I'm not going to take buyback. Buyback I will give you only theory. I hope you understood the theory and what you have to recall all particulars of buyback, that debt equity ratio test,
Debt
share
equity.
outstanding test,
Yes.
entries, and buyback. Please do not skip that chapter in option. It is very simple chapter
Okay.
and you know how to prepare the balance sheet by looking into journal entries. Correct? Yes.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Yes. Good day.